Cleaning your hairbrush is important to remove accumulated hair, oils, and debris. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to clean your hairbrush. 1. Remove hair. Use a comb, your fingers, or a pair of scissors to carefully remove the hair from the bristles. Start at the base of the brush and work your way towards the tips. 2. Loosen hair with a pen or pencil. For stubborn hair that is stuck between the bristles, use a pen or pencil to gently loosen and lift it out. 3. Soak in warm, soapy water. Fill a basin or sink with warm water and add a small amount of mild shampoo or liquid soap. Swirl the brush in the soapy water, making sure to submerge the bristles. Let the brush soak for 10 to 15 minutes to help break down oils and residue. 4. Use a toothbrush. After soaking, use an old toothbrush to scrub between the bristles and the base of the brush. This will help to dislodge any remaining debris. 5. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse the brush under running water to remove soap and loosen debris. Make sure to hold the brush with the bristles facing downward to prevent water from getting into the base. 6. Dry completely. Shake off excess water and use a towel to pat the brush dry. Allow the brush to air dry completely before using it again. Ensure it is placed in a well-ventilated area with the bristles facing down to prevent water from collecting at the base. 7. Optional disinfecting. If you want to disinfect your hairbrush, you can use a mixture of water and a few drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antimicrobial properties. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with water and dip the brush in the solution for a few minutes. 8. Regular maintenance. To keep your hairbrush clean, make it a habit to remove hair after each use. This will prevent the accumulation of hair and make deep cleaning easier. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.